Hi, this is Habib from Preston Audi, and this is the Audi S3 Saloon. This model has a 2-litre TFSI engine, producing 300 PS, and a 0 to 60 time of just 4.7 seconds. This model has had one previous owner. With this being an approved used Audi model, it'll come with a 1-year warranty and 1-year roadside assistance. Starting at the front of the car, we have the S-Design body styling, including the air in the grills, radiator grille and front bumper, giving this a menacing front end over the standard model, while we also have the striking LED headlights, providing high quality illumination. Moving around the side of the car, we have the stunning 19-inch 5-arm wing design alloy wheels, which look amazing, especially with the optional red brake calipers, and complement the stunning metallic nano grey paintwork perfectly, while there's also the optional heated, electrically adjustable and folding aluminium effect door mirrors with integrated LED side indicators, as well as aluminium side and door trim strips, really setting off the menacing exterior look, while the optional rear privacy glass ensures there's extra security for your rear seat passengers. Moving inside, you'll see there's a spacious interior, with plenty of space for all passengers to sit comfortably, while on the fine nap leather upholstered seats, it means you can travel in luxury too. These are really comfortable and supportive, especially on long journeys, while the ISOFIX points on the outer rear seats ensure your child seats will stay secure on the move. Moving outside of the car and around to the back, we have LED rear lights with dynamic indicators, and as mentioned earlier, the enhanced exterior styling also includes a rear spoiler, rear bumper and rear diffuser, giving this a menacing overall look, while we also have the dual branch chrome tailpipes, which sound amazing, especially in dynamic mode. To access the boot, just hold down the button on the key or use a soft release on the hatch. This has a large boot with 390 litres of space, so there's plenty of room for adding your shopping or even a pushchair, while folding down the rear seats means you can add in those larger and longer items, such as flat pack furniture. And once you've loaded everything, just pull down to close. Overall, this is a stunning performance saloon. While considering its age and mileage, it's definitely in excellent condition. Moving inside, you'll see it's equally as stylish. There's matte brushed aluminium inlays, which really uplift the interior ambience. Lower down we have the automatic gearbox and electronic handbrake, really clearing up the interior for a clutter-free, stylish look. There's also fine nap leather upholstered front sports seats, which are not only plush, but also really comfortable and supportive, especially on long journeys, while the manual adjustability means you can easily get into your favourite drive position every time you get into the car. There's also automatic headlights with light and rain sensors, while on the doors we have the switches for the windows and mirrors. But this concludes the 360-degree walk around of the Audi S3 Saloon. Now let's take a look at the interior from the driver's perspective. In front of you, there's a flat-bottom 3-spoke leather multifunction steering wheel, with buttons to control the colour driver's information system you see ahead of you, as well as infotainment display on the centre console. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have these toggle switches, which can use to change the display ahead. We have general car information, which can display fuel range, average consumption, mileage, as well as time of driving. This model has done 22,388 miles, while even though it's past its warranty, it will come with a 12-month warranty upon purchase, as well as original set of 2 keys. There's also DAB digital radio, so you can listen to your favourite radio stations, telephone equipment for making those hands-free calls, as well as navigation. You can also change the main display if you'd like. If speed is main focus, you can have the digital speedometer, with the general car information displayed below, but if it's too distracting, you can have the reduced display on, which hides the information. But our personal favourite is the onboard computer, as it's most informative. As standard, we have the 7-inch multiple interface Radio Plus display screen, with the MMI controller dial on the centre console, which can use to easily navigate through the system on the move without taking eyes off the road. There's also shortcut switches, such as DAB digital radio, so you can listen to your favourite radio stations, media controls with various sources such as Bluetooth and auxiliary, telephone equipment for making those hands-free calls, as well as navigation with 3D mapping, so you can easily find a destination. There's also Audi's smartphone interface, allowing you to connect to device media via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, so streaming your favourite music or podcasts couldn't be easier. As standard, there's also Audi's Drive Select, allowing you to alter the driving dynamics by choosing one of the pre-configured modes. There's plenty of modes to choose from, such as efficiency, comfort, and auto, with individual allowing you to customise your options. But our personal favourite is dynamic, as it's most driver focused. Not only that, but as standard, we also have rear parking sensors, really adding extra reassurance when navigating through those tight spaces. Moving down, we have the display for the dual zone electronic climate control, with step controls for the passenger and driver, with plenty of ability to your liking. You can easily change your temperature, speed, and direction on the move, without taking your eyes off the road. While we also have the added benefit of heated front seats, which will come really handy, especially on those cold winter mornings. This was a walk around of the Audi S3 Saloon. If you'd like trend reviewing, test drive, or request a personalised finance quote, please contact us on 0772 911 331. Thank you for watching.